July 18 around 10:30. Several weeks ago we installed a submer here for the Mormon, and at the same time we're using it to flood the one at the back of the house. Something happened and it's stripping the fuse, so I'm going to check the control box. What's the matter with it? This is the control box. It's for a Shimge 3 horsepower. It's we have to figure out whether the problem is at the submersible or here. Typically what tend to be a problem would be the capacitor. I mean, this thing is basically empty. Well, the problem is kinda more than just shorting. It's things are beginning to burn. Yeah, so it's not good. The guys were telling me that there's a problem, but I kinda ignored it. So I procrastinated into checking into the reason why. So this is the reason why. Basically, this thing is no good anymore. And with my neglect, failure to act, this became a little bit more work, more expensive to repair. So that's another one of those lessons learned. I should have took action when the guys were saying, well, something's wrong, but you know, I could give myself a lot of reasons why I didn't do anything, but it's just useless. So next time the guys say, well, there's a problem, I should act, I will act. Because this became more expensive, more work. So now I have to replace the switch and the fuse, maybe. Hopefully the fuse is still okay, but the switch, yeah. So before taking anything, make sure the wiring is recorded. You want to make sure things are reverted back to the way it is going to be. So one leg of the capacitor goes to white, that's the trigger. One leg of the cap goes to here, it goes to red. So that's basically how it's wired up. And of course there's the wiring here, wiring diagram. And this is exactly what I mean. It's basically empty. Now I'm going to go to Roxas and see if I can buy this so I can repair the submersible today. So these are the three components that really is bad. The resettable fuse, hopefully I can buy them in Roxas. This switch, and then this. It's 70 mic. So, yeah, it's weld, broken. Basically my fault for procrastinating. I was told something was overheating. I ignored the information. So I bear the blame. That's how it is.